Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan. Actually, just finished the USPS pickup, and I wanted to make this video quickly today, man, because we got the release coming up for this SB Dunk Low. My locals were hitting me yesterday, like, yo, you interested in a pair of these? And I was like, yeah, I had to pay a bit for them, but that's okay. I mean, at the end of the day, this is a sneaker. This is a sneaker I've really wanted to review, so I'm excited to have it. We got the Bluetile and Nike SB Dunk Low. We're going to get into it, discuss all the details with this pair. I'm going to put them on feet, too, so we're going to be rocking these, showing y'all what they look like out and about. And yeah, hopefully that will let y'all know if y'all like them or not. So hope you guys will enjoy. Again, if y'all do want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget, let's try to 200 likes in this video. Let me know if you guys want more on-feet unboxings like this and SB Dunk Low content. I can absolutely bring that to y'all, even early stuff. Just let me know what's kind of within your range and what you guys are interested in. And if there's anything else that you guys are looking for, just let me know down below in the pinned comment, and I will hit you guys there. All right. Also, check out my TikTok lives and my Instagram pages there too. Don't forget my Instagram, always posting like bulk supreme, and then TikTok lives again. Been grinding every day, Tuesday through Friday. The grind ends today, and then we're back on Sunday. We're just taking one day off on Saturday to rest up, get everything out and packed. And yeah, appreciate you guys. Been shipping everything next day. Been doing tons of orders daily. It's been awesome there on TikTok lately. So thank you to everyone who's tuned in and supported me. Just want to say I really appreciate y'all allowing me to do this, and get cool stuff like this to make reviews on. So hope you guys will enjoy. Let's dive into it head first. Again, all that is down below in that pinned comment. So before we put these on feet, again, we're just gonna do some basic review some basic details. So obviously you got the sale box, right, with the Bluetile SB Dunk Low. And let me actually take the sneaker out for a second, because you do have some unique wrapping paper with these. When you initially unbox this sneaker, this is what you see. You see the South Carolina flag and then that blue tile, right? So I thought that was pretty cool. And these also come with, let me show you guys this. Notice, this is how I knew this collaboration was a bit special. Comes with the Bluetile sticker and some other unique ones. The Nike SB Heart Bluetile sticker and the butterfly one too. So once I saw this, I was like, okay, yeah, they definitely put a bit of extra thought into this sneaker, because you normally don't see extra stickers at all with the SB Dunk Low usually. And you also got this too, the Nike SB and Bluetile Heart. So really cool wrapping paper on these. But aside from the box, I know that's not the main part everybody is crazy about. Let's actually get into reviewing, well, the Bluetile SB Dunk Low. So we're gonna put these on feet in a bit. Excuse me, I cannot speak. It's early for me this morning, my bad. But we're gonna put these on feet in a bit and show y'all what they look like, again, worn. And just taking a look at them right now. So here's one of them, right? As y'all can see, the look and detail that we have right here, kind of that black leather, and then almost like kind of that like iridescent, like kind of blue look. You know what I mean? Like kind of like a chromish style almost that we have in the center, by the heel, on the toe box as well. You can really notice that colorway. I think it's one of the main reasons I like this shoe. I don't know why I'm such a big fan of that blue, but it just hits very nicely. Usually blue and black does not work together that well, but it just works extremely well together on this sneaker. So I will take that every day. And you also have the South Carolina flag, again, on the inside of these. I remember previewing this a bit on my Instagram yesterday. I should have posted detailed photos, or at least a reel today of these, so make sure you guys check that if y'all want to. You guys can see, of course, what we got on the inside right there. Some extra laces, the orange fuzzy lace. Let me just show y'all all the extra laces these come with. So they obviously, keep in mind, you have the standard pair, right, which is the black fuzzy laces. You can see those are the ones that are on the SB. And not only that, they also come with, again, some regular blue ones, kind of that blue tile colorway, and then some orange fuzzy laces, which I feel like the orange ones could actually work pretty well. If you were to mismatch these, I feel like that could maybe be pretty nice. Or if you just put orange or blue on both of them, that's fine as well. But I feel like the mismatched look could look pretty decent on this SB Dunk Low. But aside from that, you also got, let me take this out again, because I want to show you again some unique insoles that are on these. So again, y'all can see this one, what it says right there, the insole. So that's one of the main unique details. Of course, I'm going to take these out and show y'all the insoles in full, because they have a really crazy detail with like the Monarch butterfly. I'll show y'all all that in a second too. But let me take this out, right, because we're going to rock these. So let me take that out, right? We don't need that there. But aside from that, you guys can see, we'll just take one of them out right now to show y'all what I'm talking about. Like, these are very nice. So of course, there's one detail in the back of the SB. One second, let me let that focus right there. So that's pretty cool. You guys can see the Monarch butterfly, and then that is also I'm not sure if that's another logo for like Bluetile or something. That's like a hand, as you guys can see right there. Or I think that's like a hand sign of something. So that might mean something. My apologies if I'm not translating that correctly. But look at these insoles, bro. Isn't that crazy? And they connect. Keep in mind, there's another insole I'll take out in a second. Look at that, bro. Is that not crazy? Come on now. Those are so sick. And these were getting hate online, which was blowing my mind. But that happens for some shoes, and then people eventually come around to them. I think that's going to end up being one of these sneakers. You can see the prices right now are still high on them, approaching the sneakers drop. And they're not going to do a ton of pairs there. So, yeah, just kind of keep that in mind. Like, I think the hate for these is, fair enough. But I don't think it's going to last, basically, is what I'm saying. But also, don't forget the unique soles on these. Hey, we'll get into that in a second, too. Another crazy detail. But look at this. Look at this detail right here. Look at these. So, isn't that crazy? Look how those connect right there. Isn't that dope? Hold up, I'm trying to do that like really nicely. There you go, there you go. You can see, look at that. Come on now. Come on now. I actually need to take photos of this for my Instagram. So let me do that right now, because I just realizing I completely forgot to do that yesterday. So let me fix that detail right now, man. All right, so yeah, we're gonna take photos of these real quick. Just want to make sure I don't forget that. Okay, there we go. Yeah, because this is easily in my opinion one of the coolest parts of the sneaker. But aside from my Yap Sesh, the other insole has that same detail on the bottom. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Let me stick that back there, and as you all see there, see, same detail on that other insole. So that's on the bottom of both of them. Now, I still got to show you all the heel, the soles, a couple other unique details, right? Like the inside of the sneaker flap here, right? There's like a monarch butterfly detail, and of course the tongue tag. Let's start with that. I feel like that's the easiest thing to hop back into. So, you can see the tongue tag right there. You guys can see it says, all the best, Nike SB. And then you can see it says, love Bluetile. So all the best, love Bluetile, and then Nike SB. And they actually changed up the font, right? To, I believe, either David Bluetile's handwriting or just the style of the Bluetile logo. Which, I believe it is just the style of the Bluetile logo. Because let me show you by the heel. This is pretty much their logo, as you guys can see. And I was showing it earlier on the stickers too. But you guys can see it says blue and then tile. And you guys can see the font they chose to use. Very similar to that one on the front, right? So I think it's just Blutile's style of logo, what they went with. And of course, the person the other day that was saying, man, you got the hot dogs on the back of the sneaker. Man, whoever that was, get out of here, bro. That is not what this is. But you can see some really nice bricks. I believe that's what this is emphasizing there back by the sneaker, which is, I think, just similar to, again, like walkways. Or let me know if I'm wrong on this, but this is, I think it's just kind of like walkways in Columbia or Charleston, South Carolina. They kind of look like this when you're walking about on the streets a lot of the time. But let me know if I'm wrong on that. It could be making a mistake there, and that could not be what that is based off. But looks similar to that, at least when I spent some time in Charleston. That's what it looked like sometimes walking about in the streets. You know what I mean? Like the bricks on the ground. But aside from that, let me show you all the soles on these. Another unique detail. Take a look at this, man. Kind of that orange and blue speckle look. You guys see kind of the white speckles going throughout. And again, the kind of that fade to orange or fade to blue, right? Because it goes from blue to orange. Or you can say it goes from orange to blue. You know what I mean? Because you got the orange center. And then at the top, it turns blue. So I thought that was another super sick detail with me. So you can really just keep diving in to more and more details about this SB Dunk Low. Of course, the swoosh is also unique. Take a look and see a different type of material they decided to go with there. Again, they did an amazing job with this SB Dunk Low. Easily one of the best pairs from this year, in my opinion. Take a look, man. Just here, let me recenter that a bit better. But look at these, bro. Bluetile SB Dunk Low. Such a fire pair. I'm so happy to have my size. We're going to wear these right now. So let's hop outside. Let's make a little on-feet video for these. And man, shout out Bluetile, bro. You killed these. You murdered these. These are so sick. So yeah, excuse me, but these are very, very nice. So let's pop outside. I'm either gonna use my phone or my camera, and we're gonna make a little on-feet video for these. So let's do that. Let's get into that part. Yeah. Oh, and let me show you all the inside of the tongue flap here. Keep in mind, I was trying to let y'all know about this. Hold on. Let me show you guys this. So. I'm gonna unlace this real quick. I'll relace it in a sec, but hold up. All right, there, boom. You can see what I'm talking about. Look at the tongue flap. Boom, based off monarch butterfly. So some people have been leaving them like this, right? Because if you unlace both of them, right, then it looks like a monarch butterfly, you know, like the shoes flying away, you know what I'm saying? So I thought that was sick too. Another little detail right there that's unique. So aside from that, yeah, now let's do a little on-feet portion and show y'all what these look like when we're wearing them. So let's go. Okay, random note. These look really nice outside. So yeah, first thing I'm gonna say. Colorway hits in the sun. Okay, we're gonna put these on. Give me a second, guys. Oh, and this looks nice in the sun too. Yeah, and the flag. All good details. All right, let's go. One sec. Boom. Look at that. Very nice. All right, now we gotta get the other one on. Look at that though. You can just tell. Very cool SB, man. Shout out Bluetile. What a pair. In my opinion, best SB of the year so far, but I'm not. Do you guys, what's your favorite SB so far this year? If it's not this, then I don't know what it is, but let me know. This one was already laced, so I think someone had tried these on, but I don't care. They look new. So aside from that, okay, boom, there's both the Bluetile. Let me stand up, walk around a bit for you guys. So Bluetile Nike SB Dunk Low. You guys see on feet. A bit of shadow in the way right now, but let me move the camera a bit. You guys can see what we got there. Again, kind of that blue look right the inside right there. Show you all this right here too. Boom. Everything. We'll get some better shots in a second here, but you can really tell this is a nice SB, man. Like, they put some time into these for sure. So, probably one of the main things I like about it. And here, yeah, we'll get in the sun a bit. Here, too. I know some people gonna hate me walking in the grass, but bro, the shoes, we gotta wear them. So yeah, aside from that, let's do some better shots, show y'all on feet angle, all that. Let's go. All right, there's a really good angle of them. There we go. I don't know why it looks like purple on camera, but these are black laces, all right? Keep that in mind. But yeah, look at that, man. Such a nice pair. You can really tell. Again, such a great sneaker. Really excited to have a pair of these in the collection, man. And yeah, that's the Bluetile SB for some up close like B-roll shots. So hopefully a good angle for you guys, kind of showing them on feet. We can walk around a bit. You know what I mean? Looks very solid. Very, very solid. So yeah, and they're comfy, so that's a win. Good job. Anyways, guys, so that's pretty much what I can say about the on feet video for the Bluetile and Bluetile and Nike SB Dunk Low, which again is going to be released in May 12th on Snkrs and did drop probably just today or tomorrow at your local skate shop. So make sure you're checking now, because it is most likely going to be releasing within the next day at your local, if it is not already. So let me know your thoughts on this SB Dunk Low, and guys, if you want more content like this, go ahead, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget the normal goal we always shoot for is 300 likes, so we do that, that would be great. And again, this pair is so unique. Love all the details we got with these, and let me know if you guys copped a pair of these recently or if you're still waiting to get yours on Snkrs. And don't forget, again, my Instagram pages, my TikTok lives, all that is linked down below in the pinned comment. I think I posted a TikTok for these today, so hopefully we got that done, and make sure y'all check that out if y'all want to. We'll have a reel or a short also on the channel too, so trying to post everywhere. Make sure you guys are just following us again on all those socials below, and don't miss the TikTok lives. Again, you ever want to come cop some streetwear off us for your collection, something like that, then yeah, feel free to come cop something. You know what I mean? Been doing lots of clothing pieces recently, lots of Supreme stuff, so don't miss out on that. That is all linked down below there, and I appreciate you guys for the support recently as always, man. Let me know what you guys think about this pair. Love doing this little unboxing with you guys. I'm probably just gonna leave these displayed back here for the videos. We'll wear them a bit too, but mainly again for the purpose of just, you know, enjoying them for the YouTube channel. And I appreciate you guys, man, again rocking with me and let me do this on feet review. So I will see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Let me know if you guys want more SB Dunk Low on feet content, and I will absolutely do it. There's lots on the way, so just let me know and I will absolutely do that for you guys. Some tea, thank you guys. Let me know your thoughts on the Bluetile SB Dunk Low, and I will see you guys tomorrow in that next one. Peace out, squad.